Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can refund website items on Roblox. So first off, go to roblox.com/home and change home to /support. Now, before we proceed any further, make sure you know that you can only refund items which you purchased less than a month ago. So if you purchased this item more than a month ago, there is no way you can refund it. Okay, so now that you know that, all we have to do is fill in this information. The first name is optional. However, make sure you write your current email address or an email address that you have access to so you can receive an email back. Now here where it says issue details, you want to click on this first option or this first drop down menu. What device are you having the problem on, and select the device that you use to play Roblox with. So for me it's going to be PC. Now type of help category, click on this drop down menu as well and select purchases using Robux. Another drop down menu will appear and all you have to do is click on it and select website item. Now I'm going to give you a template for what you should write to them, so I'm going to paste it here. I accidentally purchased, and in these brackets you want to write either the item name or the item ID number. I accidentally purchased X item and wanted to know if it's possible to get a refund. I made my purchase less than a month ago, thanks in advance. And they should get back to you with further information if they require further proof or if they have already refunded your Robux. So I hope this helped you out. Let me know if it works for you or not, and I will see you next time. Leave a like and subscribe. Bye.